Hello friends, Sahil here. Today we have this question. This question is being taken from Canadian Mathematics Olympiad, that is CMO 2021. Okay, so that is this year question it is. Now let's see the question. It says that let n greater than equal to 2 be some fixed positive integer. So this implies that n is a constant quantity. Well and fine. Then it says that suppose that a1, a2 till an are positive real numbers satisfying a1 plus a2 till an is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1. So he is saying that ai is a positive real quantity. Well and fine. And one more thing, he gave us one equation, that is a1 plus a2 till an is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now I can rearrange this equation and I can write this equation as 1 plus a1 plus a2 till an is equal to 2 raised to power n. Now from our side, let's say bn is equal to 1 plus a1 till an, or I can say that it is a summation I is equal to 1 to n ai plus 1. I can say that I assumed it from my side. Okay, now the equation whose minimum value we need to find, what is that equation? Rewrite that equation. See, the equation whose minimum value we need to find is something like this: a1 by 1 plus a2 by 1 plus a1 plus a3 divided by 1 plus a1 plus a2, and so on till an divided by 1 plus a1 till an minus 1. This is the equation. Now write this equation in terms of b and let's see what will happen. See, here I can write it as b1 minus 1 divided by 1, because see here, from here, what is b1? I will be getting a1 plus 1 only na. So what is a1 here? So a1 is b1 minus 1. Same way here I can write it as b2 minus b1 divided by b1. Here b3 minus b2 divided by b2, and it goes on till here I will write bn minus bn minus 1 divided by bn minus 1. Well and fine. Now if I split the terms, what I am getting: b1 by 1 minus 1 plus b2 by b1 minus 1 plus b3 by b2 minus 1, and so on till bn by bn minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this quantity will be what? b1 by 1 plus b2 by b1, so on, plus bn by bn minus 1 minus n. See, because this minus 1 is coming n times, because it is present with each term and there are n terms, so I will say it here minus n. Now its minimum value basically I need to find. Now see, this is a constant quantity, so it doesn't have any effect. But if we consider this thing, and it is given that ai is positive, ai is positive means bi will also be positive. I can say that. Now if this is a positive quantity, I can use the am greater than equal to gm. I can use that. So now if I use this am greater than gm on this b term, what I am getting is this is greater than or equal to n times b1 by 1 into b2 by b1 into b3 by b2, so until bn by bn minus 1 raised to power 1 by n minus n. I can say that. Now this b1 cancel, b2 cancel, b3 cancel, bn minus 1 cancel. So here I am left with what? n bn raised to power 1 by n minus n. Now from here we know that this bn is equal to what? See, this expression, and its expression value is what? 2 raised to power n. So I can say that it is n into 2 raised to power n raised to power 1 by n minus n. This n and got cancelled. So 2n, sorry, this n, this n and this n got cancelled. So I am 2n minus n. So finally our answer is n. Minimum value is equal to n. So this is our final answer. Hope you like the solution.